Sick girl. Drop at him. Whoa. Woo. Drop. Woohoo. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Woo. Oh shit. Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm out in Simi Valley with Adam here, Big Booty Chris. This is Paul. Paul's from Simi Valley. He stopped by this weekend and dropped me off his spare Magic Marys that he had on his old bike. He didn't like it. This is the bike, right?
That's the bike, yeah.
And Mario's over there. We want a late start, but a shitload of LA traffic. But it should be a good day. It's cloudy. It's not. How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good, good. My favorite part of the day. Some steep climbs on paved roads. So these cranks that I bent in Santa Barbara when I first bought this bike, they're slightly bent. Totally fine at the bike park yesterday, but today I could feel it weird climbing. I'll order a set from Spoke X. Should get it like next week. Yeah, I'll follow it tomorrow. All right. I'll go left. This is Grudge. I found Big Booty Chris. Oh, I've done that before. Whoa, girl. Ooh. Oh, it's fucking dusty. Damn, girl. That was like 3 rocket ships, girl. Pull up. Yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah. Clean. Okay. You guys good? Yeah. I'd say. Drops. Oh. Oh, fuck, fuck, fuck. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, shit. Fuck. Still haven't got my footing. There it is. Oh my god, girl. You're crazy. Oh shit. Flying, dude.
That got so dusty.
It did.
Fuck, bro, almost fucking took you out.
I know.
It's blind, but you huck it. You know, just look at where you want to land. You could do it, but if you feel comfortable, you know, ideally you just want to land on that transition down there. You guys ready? Yep. All right, I see. Man, this fucking tire is like squirming. Optional drop. Woo! Damn, girl. Woo! Oh, girl, crazy. Oh.
Damn, it came in hot.
Chris takes the other one. Yeah. I see. Drop. Feeling really good here today. Chris says I'm running good, which is always a huge compliment. There's a drop.
Yeah, that was the drop right there, Adam.
That's a roller drop. I'm gonna roll and drop it.
Oh, that's a roller.
Roller, then that's a drop.
Ah,
Did it
shit.
get better to go off the rock or the dirt?
I'll videotape you guys. I think I'm gonna skip that one.
Adam. You got it. Alright, Big Booty Chris is gonna be gapping the whole thing right here. So he's gonna take the hug from there and land on that transition. So sick. So sick. Alright, I'm dropping.
Nice.
Here comes Mario. Yeah. Good shit, Mario. Alright, right safe. Turn right. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Sick girl. Jeez. This is the turn down here I always miss. I got it. Yeah. Sick. Whoa. 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 Dope, girl.
Shit, girl, you're getting faster.
I'm trying, dude. So Mario and Paul called it a day. So it's just gonna be me, Big Booty Chris, and Adam. We'll go hit Dirty Bird. It's probably my favorite trail here. So, update on Abraham. He was released from the hospital last night. There was no, we were kind of worried that he had internal bleeding or his lungs collapsed. Ended up, he broke his clavicle, I believe his shoulder and his wrist, but he was released from the hospital. He's good now. Hopefully he gets better. I'm gonna shred again soon. Time for some dirty. You remember this trail, right, Adam?
For the most part.
I'll yell everything out. Alright. Here goes Dirty Bird. Following Big Booty Chris. Okay. Drop, Adam. Drop. Drop. Huck. Here comes a drop, Adam. Sick. Oh yeah, so dope. That's the drop the huck.
What is it doing?
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. Wow, yeah. So dope. Fucking love this drop. Woo. Oh yeah. Here's a steep chute. Woo! This is just a chute. Just go straight down the center. There you go. I got you. Hell yeah. Good shit. Basically go where Chris's wheels at. Yeah. Good shit, Adam. Alright. Oh yeah. I'll put goggles on just in case he wants to roost. Oh, nice. So sick. Sick girl. Drop at him. Whoa. Woo. Drop. Woohoo. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Woo. Oh. Oh, that's so sick. You alright? Oh, that was dope. That was 3 rocket ships, girl. You gapped like those rocks. Yeah. That was dope. Oh my god. Fucking Chris. Oh! Fucking dissector. You're gonna kill me, dude. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. These fucking tires, dude. I took the wrong line. I just took the wrong one. Oh, damn, girl. Had to hike up and do it again. Drop. Shit. My bad. My bad. Fucking drop here. I fucked up back there. Sorry, girl. I gotta get my foot on the pedal. Oh fuck, I fucked up. Oh yeah, safe. Man, so sick. Man, he took some crazy lines, dude. He scared me.